Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. This. Okay. Oh God, Doctor, I think we should switch roles. So you go in front, and I lean up on the wall and wait until you sit. You go ahead. You go in front, and I lean up on the wall like you would do, and do this, like, and check your watch, and wait, and say, hurry up. You do it. You do it. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How are you doing?
Want to give my chair too?
Give it to me and then you can stand up.
I want you can hold for that chair again.
How are you, Doctor? I can't put it on.
My friend.
How are you, Doctor?
Well, go on, my friend.
I am good, thank you very much.
Them set you free again.
The color.
Again,
Calabar.
again. No, don't ever do that. Don't you dare.
I'm just asking.
Respects the Calabar, but I'm a old man, don't you dare.
I'm saying political.
No political. No, sir. And this is not the color. This is not the color of the smell of my arm either.
Really? You're sure?
No, this is just because of the rain.
The rain.
And how the vegetation is now looking all lush.
Okay, so you represent lushness.
Lushness. Lushality.
All right, so welcome, welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday and the weekend is coming up and I'm happy to be back. Yes, I'm supposed to say with Duffy, but
they must stop
I'm just happy to be back. I'm just happy to be
back.
Bad
mind do not fit you that well.
Everything fit me. Have that.
You destroy my family.
I shall defend myself.
Yeah, all right. So, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we cannot have any studio audience for a while. But your audience at home, we still love to have you participate with us every single time the show come on. So what we want you to do is to send us a video or a photo of your family member watching Daytime Live. Post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live, and tag us on the Instagram stories, and we will show it on the show. Now on Instagram, tag us when you post the pictures. Do not DM us.
How many times do you have to say that? And still
every single time. All
right, so from Facebook today, we have this photo from a very special person, Charlotte Williams.
Yeah,
see? That's you looking, okay. That's very good, Charlotte.
So Charlotte took a picture of me looking at somebody with a picture.
Right. Can you take it again? Keep looking.
No, Charlotte, don't do that to me, Charlotte. Let me look back this way.
Thank you, Charlotte.
You know who's watching in the barbershop right now?
Who is watching?
Your biggest fan, Ramik.
Ramik is watching?
Ramik.
Hi, sweetie. How are you? Thank you for watching.
Keep this up,
please. Love you too. Much love.
All right, okay, guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, on our Instagram and Twitter. It's at TVJ Daytime Live, and on Facebook, it's TVJ Daytime Live.
And you can always catch the back shows via onespotmedia.com or just go to YouTube, search Daytime Live TVJ. All right, let's get buzzing. What is buzzing
West Philadelphia,
in the world?
Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my
Fresh
days.
Prince.
Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, out, cooling down, shooting some b-ball outside of the school.
Then a couple of guys.
I got one little father. My mom got scared and said,
moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel-Air.
Everybody know that soundtrack is the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Now, the reunion episode, it aired on November 18th, which is also the birthday of my brothers and my aunt. So happy belated birthday to Dwight, Dwayne, and my aunt Sonia. Big up on yourself. And it was also a special moment between series star Will Smith and Janice Hubert. Now, she played the original Aunt Viv, for those of you who can remember, and she was replaced by Daphne Maxwell Reid after the show's third season. And now we know it was following a bitter fallout with Will Smith. Now, the former co-stars, they buried the hatchet for the show's 30th anniversary and sat down finally to talk for the first time in decades.
Wow. So before their conversation, which came about halfway through the special, Hubert and Smith both acknowledged their past issues in separate confessionals. Let's take a look.
You know, words can...
Wow. Wow, that's powerful. Calling a dark-skinned black woman difficult is a kiss of death. Well, we're going to play the next one and hear what Will actually said.
Or
Wow. What are you quiet like?
Man,
you're not,
I don't know,
you're
I
not
don't
sure
know, I don't know.
how to, who?
like I'm watching this, and for me, she was the Aunt Viv for
Yeah,
me.
man.
She had a different.
I loved her as
Yeah,
Aunt
she
Viv.
had that little saucy
Yeah.
something that she.
She's
Yeah.
sassy. Love her, man. Love her.
Yes.
And
yes,
then no more of Janet after 3 seasons. And we didn't really know what
and
happened.
Nobody knew what happened. I
Yeah.
think some persons even thought that she probably had passed on, or there was a lot of speculation.
Yeah, so they had a falling out, and from
That's
what,
a big. That's
from
a
what I
big-
understand, Will is the one that got her kicked off the show, right? Because he had some misunderstanding or some issue with her, and he did say in the interview as well during the reunion that he was young, and he felt threatened by everybody. You know, he didn't know who to trust. So that decision was made at a particular place and a particular mindset.
And I wonder, like, if she can, like, she'll get some back pay now
Some back pay.
for the seasons them that she should have been there, but because of him, she wasn't there. Like a lump sum.
What's the way your chest high? You're really feeling lush.
Me just have say. That would have been fair. That would have been
What
fair.
I find interesting is 30 years. This is going on for you now. 30 years.
I was 30 years on a back pay. Come here, I said, that's a nice to come.
30
that's
years.
A nice to come
So
on, you know.
how long would you hold a grudge?
Me would hold a grudge
how
for?
long would you hold a grudge? And how important do you think it is to bury the hatchet and heal from something?
The hatchet can't grow in, so we are buried for.
Okay.
Like, I'm
sure.
different. Me different. Me will carry a belly. Me will carry
You
a small
carry
belly.
okay.
Me carry a small belly, man.
I try not to carry any
try
belly.
not to?
I try not to.
But you do?
No.
Your voice get deeper.
No. Listen, I may not forget it.
But, you know,
Okay, I may not forget it, but you can forgive and not forget, right?
Your face, look.
I'm just saying.
You know what's interesting, though? In like 3 months, this is the second time he has sat down with a female. With his heart. And then in the video, if you watch it again, the chairs were red.
Lots
in the
of
first one,
entanglement, yes.
the first one, the table was red. This boy,
This boy and the red.
My bill a whole red furniture store.
All right, so UK supermarket chain Sainsbury's has stepped in to defend its Christmas advert after it was heavily criticized online for featuring a black family. Now, even some shoppers are threatening to boycott the supermarket because of this ad. And last Saturday, the supermarket giant actually released the first part of its 3-part festive ad, with all 3 centered around meals that, would stir memories of home and family.
Since it was first aired, the advert has received controversial feedback online, with some slamming the commercial for not representing them. Others went as far as to say they were boycotting Sainsbury's because of this ad.
So one shopper tweeted, isn't the UK supposed to be all about diversity and inclusion? Interesting. I don't see any of that here. Virtual signaling, if ever I've seen it.
And another even commented, never shopping in Sainsbury again.
Well, here's the thing now. A lot of people who commented, I suppose you don't have to really guess too hard their ethnicity, because I watched the ad. It's a beautiful ad. It's a father and daughter. So you hear a voiceover. The father and daughter are on the phone, and they're reminiscing about what Christmas has been like over the years. So all the images you just saw is the daughter as a little girl, and the father is boasting about his gravy. And she's teasing him, saying that, okay, fine, your gravy is probably good, but he starts to sing, and, in that nice fatherly way, and she's like, oh, Dad, please stop. So it's just this nice, beautiful, heartfelt conversation. And I thought the ad was really nice. I'm surprised to see the people, I said I'm going to boycott the supermarket because it's an ad with black people in it. It's like this is the year where all the racists just feel very powerful to speak out. I have an issue. And then you're going to tell me you thought the supermarket was about diversity? How could that not represent diversity anymore?
I guess nothing can trump that behavior. I'm just
Wow,
saying.
Dufton.
What happened?
So you think it's because of
I
a
did not.
trumping why people feel comfortable to speak out about it? It's because of Trumps?
Well, I guess by the end of the month, we'll know exactly what happens if persons will actually boycott the supermarket. So at the end of the month, we'll know by then.
Yeah, but no, I just...
Now when they fly past, oh,
No, you know, fly past, but me I decide to make it past me because if I follow you... No, it's surprising though. Like everybody just want to say something about black people.
yeah, come on, man. Just give us a break. Give us an ad for us alone, and everybody just be happy.
The whole world for
Right,
us
but
alone.
on a lighter note, on a lighter note though, Christmas is coming up.
Yes.
I think I can already smell it in the air. Christmas is a different smell for me. It's a different
Really?
smell for me. Yeah, it makes you want to like enjoy yourself and move and
dance.
dance and all that. And speaking of like dancing, we have a video
Let me see if I can learn some
of
stuff.
Guama.
Grandma dancing?
Guama dancing.
Okay. Let me
Go
see.
on, Guama.
Let
Do
me
your
see.
thing. What I saw this video. What you? No, Guama. Guama get pregnant. No, Guama. What you, Guama?
I like her. Listen.
Me can tell you this. If me go out and say Guama, me I stay far.
Why?
Grandma look like she come out and she not go back in.
You man, maybe you could learn something from grandma. That's
No.
why you must know it.
I don't know how to
I
learn
like
that.
grandma. I go borrow those moves.
You should borrow all the moves.
Every dance move.
Sani, you can.
Two left foot. I don't
Sunny.
know why God did that to me.
Sani, how you can dance?
Me don't know. Everybody can't have everything.
How you can dance?
And it just happens that it's one of those things I didn't get. That's all. Right? Just as you can do certain things.
What can't?
Sing, talk, daytime live. We'll be right back, okay? Right? Because guess what? We're vibing with no other than the superstar Shaggy. You don't want to miss this,
Mr.
okay?
Orville Burrell. Look on
Oh, look at him. Hey, Shaggy. Send that hat, come let me know. It would look good on me. It would. Thank you. Stay right there. We'll soon come back.